Good morning, Mika. Take a look at this setup. This is where, the youth will come, they'll have a nice, healthy meal, hang out a little bit, and it's just such a wonderful cause. You don't realize how many kids are out there that don't have a home. I'm going to go into the kitchen here. This is Steve Doherty. He's the Executive Director at Youth Without Shelter. Hi, nice to meet you.
Good to see you.
All right, so we had a chance to meet some of the youth here.
Yep.
Really incredible. They really are. But let's talk. Let's be realistic here. How many kids are out on the street? It's a grim reality, right?
It really is. Any given day, there's 2,000 youth without a place to call home in the city of Toronto. Less than 400 shelter beds. We help out 53 people at a time here.
All right. And one of the most important things is they come here, they feel safe, they have a nice, healthy meal. We want to emphasize that because although you welcome all donations,
yes,
you're looking for healthy options.
We really are. Like some of the items that you've seen today, some of those immuno boosters, that's what we're looking for. We want to promote healthy living. Florida orange juice is a great donation for us. Those are the sorts of things that we just don't have the food budget every day. We rely on the generosity of the people of Toronto every day.
And you're one of the few shelters that actually accepts perishable items.
Yes, we do. We are able to bring in things like Florida orange juice, we're able to bring in other perishable items that we've got. We have refrigeration here, everything to help us meet our food budget.
Very nice. And so look at this. What a great setup.
It is. It's beautiful.
It's all donations, right? People have helped you guys out.
Absolutely. This entire kitchen, our walk-in fridge, walk-in freezer, all courtesy of the Home Depot.
Okay. If anybody wants to help, where can they go?
They can go to our website. So they go to YWS.on.ca. You can find out how to donate, how to help out at our upcoming event, Time4Change, on February 21st. Lots of ways that people can help out.
All right. Thank you so much, Steve.
Thanks for being here.
I've had a fun morning here at Youth Without Shelter. They're prepping me breakfast because I haven't had any yet. Pancakes. I think it's healthy, right? In my books, it's healthy. Pooja Bill, I'll send it back to you. Look at